Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can blur pictures on Canva. So this is a picture that I imported from photos. So once you import any picture, so you simply need to select that, click on edit photo. Here you need to click on adjust. So once you are on that section, scroll down into the bottom and here you can see three options: sharpness, clarity and vignette. So you simply need to reduce the sharpness like this and clarity to 0 as well. So now you can see that this image is blur. So this is the process how you can blur pictures on Canva. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.